exciting! We are flowing into our new writing type called a procedural text, also known as a how-to, which is an informational story, something true, something you can actually do. So we need to be looking at types of questions, because how to make a sandwich, how to drive a boat, how to find something new, I don't know. But you ask questions, and the way you answer it tells you how you're going to write your paper. So we have formal questions and informal questions. We're going to jump over here to formal questions first for research, reports, speeches, and presentations. Example, how long do frogs live? I actually don't know the answer to that. So if you're going to be answering a formal question about how to do something officially, you want to give a true scientific answer. So we would be looking at using relevant sources to answer questions. You don't just go on Google and go, how long do frogs live? You might get an answer, but we don't know if it's a true answer or if it's a good source. So we're going to be looking at how do we know a good source from a bad source. So primary sources are usually an interview from an expert, or you could read a journal about frogs. So National Geographic or an encyclopedia. There'll be things submitted by scientists and experts that can tell you the best information. You can also use secondary sources, like books and magazines that you find, usually things officially published, you can trust. So now that we have formal questions out of the way, we can look at informal. Informal questions are used for surveys, polls, focus groups, and web browsing. That actually might be stuff we're doing in math also as we look at graphs and surveys, but let's continue. So what is your favorite season? Usually an informal question has something to do with an opinion. Everyone has a different favorite season. Mine is fall. I mean, if yours is summer, you can't say that one of us is right or wrong. We both have good reasons to say why it's our favorite. You can use your own thinking, classmates' ideas, primary and secondary sources to answer questions. So you can use informal and formal sources, official and unofficial things. So these are more casual questions like, hey, what do you like to eat for dinner? Or what's your favorite recess game? Where these ones are more of you're about to give a presentation. You're going to show your findings. You're going to educate somebody about something. So I hope that helps tell the difference between formal and informal questions. So that's our lesson for today. Thank you guys.